Alright folks, how you doing? So before we actually get into the three books by Beaumont, I'm going to be reading the back page summary of all three to give you a picture of what we're in for here. Starting with the Riddle of the Earth, Appian Way. So it says here on the back, Commons Beaumont, writing his Appian Way, here gives us an account of the origins of the various phenomena we describe as weather, in quotes. Cutting through the artificial boundaries imposed to create disciplines, in quotes, he returns to the more holistic way of thinking adopted in antediluvian times to give us a full picture of the history of our planet and its interaction with the cosmos, describing the necessarily symbiotic relationship and the ultimate connectedness of all things in a thoroughly well-researched and scientific way, with many examples from history and prehistory. He shows clearly how history, geology, geography, archaeology, and meteorology, studied separately, cause fragmentation of concepts and lessen understanding of the systems within systems through which the universe operates. Now, moving on to the Mysterious Comet, this is what the back page summary says. The Mysterious Comet is Commons Beaumont's investigation into the bigger aspects of what we call weather. He joins up the normally fragmented disciplines of history, astronomy, geology, geography, and meteorology to give a complete picture of the systems within systems through which our planet operates in the wider solar system and indeed the cosmos, showing that the effects of space weather, in quotes, are very real, and that we need to think beyond the clouds, not only to understand everyday conditions, but also to predict major catastrophes. Commons Beaumont clearly illustrates the seemingly overlooked connection between volcanoes and the passage or impact of heavenly bodies, giving rise to various atmospheric phenomena, eruptions, earthquakes, tidal waves, and floods, showing that the law of attraction is indeed in operation on all levels, with examples and illustrations. And finally, from the book The Riddle of Prehistoric Britain, it says this: The Wonder in the Land, which is the subtitle for the book. In this volume, Commons Beaumont brings together historical and biblical evidence to demonstrate that the history we have come to accept is far from accurate. He develops the theme of the advanced civilization present in pre-Roman Britain, the post-Diluvian remnant of the Hyperborean landmass Plato called Atlantis. His acceptance of ancient astronomical and meteorological knowledge puts an end to the whole concept of an ice age as eons melt into centuries. The past is closer than we think. So I hope that gives you some idea of what it is that we are in for when we get into these books. Anyway, thanks for listening.